Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by balancing and mounting the phone so motors do minimal work. First, power the gimbal and open the clamp. Slide the phone until it sits perfectly centered over the pivot, then secure it. Make sure orientation is landscape unless you need portrait, and remove bulky cases that shift balance. Once done, power on the gimbal and let the motors initialize. This reduces motor strain and improves battery life. Finally, connect the app to confirm firmware and basic calibration before moving to advanced controls. Now you calibrate and configure the gimbal so movement matches your intent. Place the gimbal on a flat surface and run the automatic 3-axis calibration in the app, watching each axis complete. After calibration, choose follow modes. Pan for horizontal moves, tilt follow for gentle nods, lock to hold framing. Then adjust motor strength and smoothing based on your phone's weight. Higher strength prevents drift, higher smoothing softens jerks. Finally, map a quick trigger or button to switch modes on the fly for fluid shots. You finish by operating and securing your shots with deliberate technique. Frame a subject, then walk smooth steps or use a small dolly while combining gentle pan and tilt for cinematic motion. Keep moves to 3 to 5 seconds for steady footage. Record at higher frame rates or enable the gimbal's active stabilization for fast action, and attach a tripod for stable time lapses. If you see drift or odd tilting, recalibrate immediately, check the mount, and ensure battery levels and firmware are correct to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.